Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Start menu because that's the fastest route on an HP. Click the Windows icon or press the Windows key, then type Control Panel. The search shows it instantly. Once done, make sure you spot the desktop app entry. Right-click if you want to pin it for future use or run as administrator to access settings that require elevated rights. This first step gets you directly to the Control Panel entry without digging through folders. Next, use alternative paths so you have options depending on your setup. Press Windows plus R and type Control to open the Control Panel immediately. This bypasses the Start menu. Or open Settings, use the search box, and type Control Panel to locate it inside a modern interface. Once you have it open, switch the view by selector to category or icon views so settings are easier to find. This changes how items are grouped and speeds navigation during configuration. Finally, navigate to the area you need: network, hardware programs, or user accounts, because those panels hold the controls you're after. Use the search box in the Control Panel window to jump straight to a tool. It saves time when items are buried. Make sure to apply changes and reboot if prompted. If Control Panel doesn't appear, run Windows Update or enable legacy features. As a troubleshooting tip, update or reinstall display and search drivers, since a corrupted search index can hide the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.